Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to animate a GLTF or GLB 3D model in native iOS with Swift. So let's get started. So first let's see how to first check whether a GLTF or GLB model has an animation or not. So according to me, the easiest way is just go to this particular website. You will have you can download your own GLTF or GLB model. There are lots of things available online, and just drag and drop this over here. So this is my GLTF model, and if you go to the animation tab, here you can see all the animations available for this particular thing. Now you can fetch this programmatically as well, but I think it's better. Most probably you will be creating your own GLTF model. You won't be asking the user to upload their own model. You might have that as well, but like 90% of the time, if you are creating, like displaying 3D models, it will be created by your own designer, so you will already know what all animation it will have. So first, like I said, iOS does not support GLTF natively. It supports USDC, which is another 3D file format. So to support GLTF, I'm using GLB, like you checked. Okay, fox.glb. So here first you will have to go to this particular repository, and you can just copy this URL. Just create a native iOS project. I am using UIKit, but feel free to use Swift UI as well. But I think you will have to use UI view representable if you are using Swift UI. Just click on File, Add Package Dependencies, and just paste that URL over here. So once you have pasted, you can just click on Add Package and just add it. I have already added it, so I won't add it again. So I'll just click on Cancel. Next, just scroll down. Here firstly you will have to drag and drop the fox.glb model. So I have already dragged and dropped inside of a project. Also make sure you have enabled the target membership. Next, we also require an HDRI image. So this is basically like a background for our GLTF model. So I have just again downloaded from this GitHub repository. So you can just download this studio.hdr, which I have downloaded it, and again dragged and dropped inside my project. Ignore this neutral dash small. This was just part of my debugging. Then you just need to go to your view controller, and here you have to import GLTF kit 2. Here you have to give the file name. So in my case it was studio.hdr. Here is the environment intensity. Then here is our scene view. Here is our asset container node as well, SCN node. Then here we initialize our scene view. We set the auto resizing mask. We set the background color. If you want, you can just do something like this as well. UI color dot white. Okay, just rerun this. Then anti-aliasing. Now even I don't understand all this. I have just copy pasted all of this from documentation. So yeah, and then here I'll just quickly show you guys the output. Here you can see this is the walk animation which is playing. I'll tell you where exactly we need to set it. Then here is our allow camera control, then the default camera control interaction mode as well. And then we add our scene view to our parent view. Then here we create an SCN scene. We add the asset container node to our scene root node. Then here we set the environment light name as well, and environment intensity as well, and then we assign our scene to our scene view. Then here we fetch the fox. Again, you should change the name over here. I'm using fox.glb. So we are just loading it from our bundle URL, and then we call load asset. Again, now this I have just copy pasted it from documentation. So here we just do GLTF asset.load. Once the status is complete, then we just prepare the asset as well. Again, this I have copied it from documentation. So you just have to do GLTF's SCN scene source. Then we create an asset scene out of it. Then we just loop over all the nodes and add it to our asset container node. Now to play the animation, you just have to copy paste this block of code, but here you have to change the animation name. So if you remember, there were two more animations. One was run, so I can just change this to run. I'm first checking if an animation with same name exists or not. If yes, then only play it. So if I just show you guys again, here you can see now it is running. So you can move it as well however you feel like. Okay, then here we just do start playing the animation, and then on the another main thread we just do create a scene from our scene view. Then we just do scene view dot prepare, and then we just do handler nil. So yeah, that's all there is to it to play an animation with GLTF or GLB in native iOS with Swift. So again, I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and copy the code wherever you feel like. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.